In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the currency on Temu. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to their official website, and then from here, you want to hover over up here where you can see your profile, and of course, you have to sign in to be able to see that, and then just click on it. And then from here, inside the menu here on the left, you'll be able to see country/region and language, so click on this. And then from here, you'll be able to see three things. The first one is country or region, the second one is language, and the third one is currency. However, if you click on here, you won't be able to change it, and that is because to actually change the currency, you first must select the correct country or region. Now, of course, this may sometimes be mistaken. So for example, for me, I'm currently not in the United States. However, it's showing United States over here, and for you, it may be making a mistake as well. So I am not using dollars, I'm actually using euros, and I would like my currency to be in euros. And to be able to do that, of course, I have to switch to my current country. And this may be happening because you may be like on a public Wi-Fi that has some different settings. You may be using a VPN or something like that. And if you're doing that, the region may show something different from your real current country. So here, just click on it and select your country you're currently in. So for me, I'm going to just do Germany here. And then, of course, you want to switch over to your own country. And whenever you do that, as you can see, you'll, of course, be signed out and you will have to sign back in. But in the back, you can already see it's changed my currency into euros. And I can now go ahead and basically shop in euros. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.